Ladies and gentlemen, in this video guide we'll give you instructions to get rid of the dangerous pop-up windows that are associated with the website Dyouradver.biz. So when you see these pop-ups, keep in mind and don't forget that they are extremely dangerous. The real purpose of these pop-ups is to force you into subscribing to their push notifications. As you can clearly see, the pop-up has got the allow and the block buttons integrated into it. And while this pop-up comes up periodically, it tries to suggest that you click on the allow button to continue your browsing. In reality, whenever people mistakenly agree with the proposal and click on that allow button, their browser gets immediately hijacked and infected. So they start seeing a lot of ads that will be periodically popping up and extremely distracting their attention. Problems with these pop-ups by Dyouradver.biz mainly happen with browsers like Google Chrome, Firefox in Windows computers. So what to do if the allow button was mistakenly clicked? First thing you should do is to go to the menu, then click on Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings, and now you need to go to the permissions and choose Notifications. Carefully research the Allow area until you find this dangerous page. You need to click on this button and remove it from the list. If you see any other deceptive websites here that are causing similar problems, get rid of them too. I would also suggest that you scan your Windows computer with a combo cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, downloading the software, installing it, and scanning the system with this tool to make sure that there are no any other hidden threats on your device. How to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for fixing your Windows computer and browser-related problems. The program is initially in the trial mode. You may select the preferred scan type, however, remember that full scan or custom scan are only the parts of the premium version. There are some other good features in Combo Cleaner, like big files and duplicates checker. You may consider using these features. But if you want to get your PC fully fixed or at least inspected, consider the quick scan in the trial mode. So click on Start Scan button. The program will begin scanning your computer, and it will soon discover certain problems related to your available browsers or possibly related to the other issues with your Windows computer. Then the program at the end of scan will give you the full report about the current condition of your Windows computer and Windows related browsers. You may then get the clear image of what is going on with your computer, and you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the application to get all these troubles fixed and dealt with.